Since 1970, the Rappahannock Area Community Services Board has been committed to improving the quality of life for people residing in Planning District 16 with mental health, intellectual disability, and substance abuse problems, and to preventing the occurrence of these conditions. Simply put, it is our mission. RACSB is committed to providing services at the earliest possible time to prevent or reduce more costly and traumatic interventions in the future. RACSB is a first responder to mental health emergencies and works closely with area law enforcement and hospitals. Through the construction of these state-of-the-art intermediate care facilities in Spotsylvania County, RACSB is committed to bringing loved ones with an intellectual disability home from state training centers and supporting them to live successfully in this community near their families. Over the past 4 decades, RACSB's commitment to the community has grown and strengthened. From 10 employees to more than 500, from one location to more than 30, RACSB is committed to you and the community.
RACSB is committed to providing individuals with mental health and substance abuse concerns access to needed services to include medication management, individual, group, and family therapy, as well as specialized counseling and case management. Our dedicated team of psychiatrists, mental health nurses, therapists, and case managers at each of our 5 outpatient clinics in Planning District 16 is committed to their supporting individuals in their recoveries.
Thanks to RACSB, I was able to get help for me and my family. I don't have health insurance, and I didn't have any hope. I needed help, and so did my son. He also sees a therapist and a doctor here. RACSB to me feels like they're committed to helping me. They're concerned about my well-being and my son's well-being. And I felt like I got the same quality and care as I did if I went to a private practice. And I'm so grateful for everything that RACSB has done. There's real results here.
The individuals receiving mental health case management benefit from the coordination of care they receive to be successful in the community. As case managers, we assess individuals' needs related to housing, employment, and health care. We monitor progress and are committed to assisting individuals in their personal recoveries.
Kenmore Club is committed to helping individuals with mental health challenges be active and succeed in the community. Club members enjoy recreational and volunteer opportunities, as well as educational and employment activities. We support individuals in their recoveries with a focus on what they value and what they need to be happy and successful in the community.
The Rappahannock Area Community Services Board and Kenmore Club have been committed to me and my recovery since 1987. I have been a member of Kenmore Club since 1989. The advocates here and the other members and case management and psych medication has been there and helped me through some of the worst times of my life.
As a residential counselor, I am committed to assisting adults with mental illness gain or regain the skills necessary to live independently within the community. The RACSB Supervised Apartment programs, along with the Lafayette Boulevard Boarding House, provide 24-hour support and supervision. Through supported living arrangements, adults receive varying levels of support based on their needs.
I've stayed at Bridgewater for 6 years. I've gotten help from Dr. Swain and Jermaine and all the workers here. They have helped me a lot.
Sunshine Lady House for Mental Health, Wellness, and Recovery, our community-based crisis stabilization program, is committed to supporting individuals in crisis and helping them get back on the road to recovery quickly and without hospitalization. This past year, we expanded services to include medically managed detoxification. We provide medically supervised evaluation and withdrawal management support. Our commitment to the community includes partnering with the Fredericksburg Police Department to provide a secure drop-off site for individuals identified by area law enforcement as needing mental health treatment and who would benefit from this alternative to incarceration. Responding officers can return to their patrols faster. This partnership allows program guests to foster positive relationships with local law enforcement.
RACSB Emergency Services therapists are committed to quickly assisting individuals experiencing a mental health emergency. We are available 24 hours a day, 365 days a year to conduct pre-screenings and determine the most appropriate treatment setting for the individual. We work closely with local hospitals and area law enforcement to support individuals to obtain the help they need.
RACSB is committed to providing area law enforcement with the skills to aid in de-escalating crisis situations through Crisis Intervention Team Training, or CIT. Officers are provided with the tools and resources to better recognize mental health emergencies and to work with individuals to obtain appropriate treatment.
Project Link is committed to supporting pregnant and parenting women and their children to be free of alcohol and other drugs. We work with women who have a history of substance use to link them with needed services to support their personal recoveries and ensure their children are well cared for in the community.
Project Link has helped me with a couple different issues. They helped refer me to Mary's shelter, so I was able to move from the Thurman Brisbane shelter here, where it's a better place for the kids, a more home-like environment. Glenda's always been someone that I could talk to and trust, and just supportive in a lot of areas, and I appreciate them being there, and it has helped a lot to have that extra support in place.
RACSB is committed to second chances. As the treatment provider for adult and juvenile drug court, RACSB provides case management, group therapy, and medication management to the participants. The participants at the end of a year are also committed to their recoveries, their families, and being active in our community.
RACSB is committed to meeting the mental health needs of the community. This means providing on-site services at the Rappahannock Regional Jail and Juvenile Detention Center. Our services include on-site crisis intervention, psychiatry services, substance abuse services, diversion services, and case management. RACSB staff assist these individuals to receive the help they need to address mental health and substance abuse concerns while incarcerated. We are also committed to providing discharge planning to help those with serious mental illness successfully transition back into the community upon release.
Through Rappahannock Area Community Services Board, the Virginia Wounded Warrior Program is committed to providing a free resource for all guardsmen, all reservists, all veterans, and their families here in the Commonwealth of Virginia, to answering their questions, to making referrals, and connecting them with service providers here in the Fredericksburg community.
RACSB is committed to providing services that are sensitive to the health, safety, and well-being of the community. RACSB is committed to providing individuals with mental disabilities and chemical dependency a continuum of quality programs that are affordable, accessible, and person-centered.
The RACSB Day Support Program, Rappahannock Adult Activities, is committed to providing adults with an intellectual disability the opportunity to be successfully engaged in our community. RAAI participants enjoy developing life and vocational skills while actively exploring our community. Families appreciate our commitment and the support we provide to their loved ones.
Brad's been receiving services from the RACSB since 2004, so he's been in the system quite a while. He started at the Adult Activity Center with day support a couple days a week. The staff has always helped him with his daily choices and his daily skills and helping him kind of become independent. A part of his daily services is they're out in the community on a regular basis. So I guess the RACSB has prepared him for what he's supposed to be doing. He's living on his own and having a wonderful life.
I like cooking. I like to use the computer, look up emails, go bowling. Have a good life.
As a support coordinator, I am committed to ensuring individuals with an intellectual disability are successfully supported here in our community. This means educating families in the array of services available, assessing for needs and desires, coordinating care, linking to resources, and monitoring for progress. We set up and develop a person-centered plan based on what's important to the individual and what's important for the individual. And we get together and ensure that they have a good life.
RACSB residential services for adults with an intellectual disability are committed to providing choices. RACSB operates 11 group homes, 2 supervised apartment programs, supported living arrangements, and a sponsored placement program. We are committed to being great neighbors with beautiful homes. We are committed to providing valuable community integration activities while keeping individuals safe, happy, and healthy here in their home community and near their family and friends.
RACSB is committed to expanding services to meet the needs of the community. In partnership with Doris Buffett and the Sunshine Lady Foundation, RACSB is excited to open the first respite option in our community for adults with an intellectual disability. I personally am committed to making this new service fun for the individuals, as they are safely supported while their caregivers tend to other responsibilities. We know this service is valuable to local families.
The RACSB Specialized Transportation Program is committed to providing safe and reliable transportation service. The service makes RACSB day support programs accessible to all individuals residing throughout the planning district.
The Parent Education Infant Development Program is committed to infants, toddlers, and their families. Our dedicated team of early intervention specialists work together to minimize delays and help children participate more fully in family and community activities.
Well, the RACSB has definitely been a huge help to our family, and they have been very oriented in helping us where we need it. They come to our home, they play with all of my children, not just my son. They don't worry about just focusing on who is getting services, but how the entire family orients and affects his development. And it really helped when they were coming to me, especially considering our family needs with another young child and another young one on the way. And they were very helpful in making sure that he could develop and grow based on what his needs were and what was affecting his life.
As part of under our umbrella of prevention, we have the Too Good for Drugs program, which teaches anti-substance abuse. We also do the Dare to Be You program, which teaches and empowers parents and their children to go forth and be happy families. We have the Second Step program, which teaches the social emotional skills that you would need. And we have the Media Detective Media Ready program, which teaches children to be able to spot the tricksters in the ad agencies. In the prevention services, it's a great program. Under the RACSB, it helps parents and families be able to have a happier tomorrow.
Healthy Families Rappahannock area is committed to building healthier families, healthier children, and a healthier community. Our goal is to reduce child maltreatment and increase school readiness through our intensive home visiting program. We believe that all parents want the best for their children, and we are committed to helping parents create a loving and supportive environment where the child's development is nurtured and the child can flourish.
It's great because as a mom, you feel like your day is busy, and with somebody telling you, hey, these are the things you're going to work on this week, and next week we're going to talk about what you were able to get done. It gives me more of a push to actually do them. And most of my goals have been met through Healthy Families.
Hi, my name is Valerie, and I'm a puppet with the Rappahannock Area Kids on the Block. Here at the Kids on the Block, we are committed to providing prevention education and disability awareness to the youth of our community.
RACSB is committed to the development of a well-trained and diverse workforce. We are committed to providing rewarding career opportunities for our nearly 500 staff members.
RACSB is committed to providing the appropriate services and supports to more than 10,000 individuals who entrust us with their care. Our dedicated staff members work hard to provide community-based services with a person-centered focus. RACSB is committed to the community. RACSB is committed to you.